guys, so it's me again, and please don't forget to like and share. And today I'm gonna show you what we are going to have for breakfast. Of course, I have a guest, and I'm just using mayo and whole wheat bread. So I'm just gonna spread the mayo. So I'm adding more because I want to have a lot of mayo. Actually, this is my bread. I'm making my own bread, and my guest is going to make his own bread later. So actually guys, we're making avocado toast. It's really delicious, healthy, and it's good for breakfast. And now I'm just melting the butter. So after that guys, I'm just gonna put my bread upside down with the mayo because it's gonna have a good crispy, delicious. Now I'm just adding some cheese. Actually we're using Havarti cheese. So we're just going to wait this until it's melted. So after the cheese is melted guys, I'm just gonna add my other slice of bread. And after that guys, I'm just gonna put the bread with the cheese. So I'm just gonna wait for that. So I'm just gonna set it aside for 2 minutes. Then after that guys, I'm just gonna open. It's really delicious. It's so gooey. Oh my god, so delicious. And now I'm just gonna add my tomatoes and of course the avocado. And after that guys, I'm just gonna add my sour cream, so it's just hard to spread. And of course this is paprika, Hungarian paprika, smoked Hungarian paprika. And after that guys, it's basically ready. So you're just gonna slice it, and it's real delicious. And thank you so much for watching. I wish I can share this with you guys. Thank you so much. See you soon.